Hey Robert, did you finish the math homework?
Nah, I couldn't figure out question 4. Did you?
Yeah, that one was tricky. I got it after a few tries.
Really? Can you help me out later?
Sure, let's meet at the library after lunch.
Sounds good. By the way, did you understand the science assignment?
Not completely. I think we have to conduct an experiment.
Yeah, I heard that too. Want to collaborate on it?
Definitely. Let's gather materials tomorrow and work on it together.
Great. I'll bring the lab equipment from my uncle's garage.
Perfect. We'll make an awesome project out of this.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver when it comes to homework.
No worries, we make a good team.
Hey, Lisa, I've got a job interview tomorrow.
That's great. Tell me more.
It's for a marketing manager position at XYZ company.
Have you researched the company?
Yes, I've studied their website and recent projects.
Good. How about your resume and cover letter?
They're updated and ready to go.
Do you have any questions for them?
I'll ask about their marketing strategies and team dynamics.
Don't forget to dress professionally.
Of course, I'll wear my best suit.
And arrive a bit early, just in case.
Absolutely, punctuality is crucial.
You've got this. Be confident.
Thanks, Lisa. Your support means a lot.
Just be yourself and showcase your skills.
I will, and I'll let you know how it goes.
Looking forward to hearing good news.
Me too. Thanks again for the advice.
Hey John, exams are just around the corner. How's your preparation going?
Hey Robert, I'm kind of stressing out. I've got so much to cover.
I know what you mean. Have you started making a study schedule?
Yeah, I made one, but sticking to it is tough.
I get that. It's all about discipline. We should help each other out.
That's a great idea. Maybe we can quiz each other on different subjects.
Perfect. That way, we can identify our weak points.
And it'll make studying a bit more fun too.
Absolutely. By the way, do you have any notes on the history topics?
I've got some, but they're not very organized.
No worries. I'll share mine with you. We should pool our resources.
Thanks, that would be a big help. I can share my math notes with you.
Great. Math's not my strong suit, so that's perfect.
And, speaking of weak spots, have you figured out a plan for that complicated science section?
Not yet, but I heard Mr. Smith is offering extra tutoring after school.
That's a good idea. We should both go and clear our doubts.
Agreed. Let's meet up at the library tonight to go over our schedules and study plans.
Sounds like a plan. We got this.
Definitely, with teamwork and determination, we'll ace these exams.
Hi Kathy, how's everything going?
Hey Robert, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. Did you have a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, I did. It all looks delicious, but I'm leaning towards the pasta.
Great choice. I've heard their pasta here is fantastic. By the way, have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. How about you?
I've been here a few times, and I've never been disappointed. The service is usually quick too.
That's good to know. I appreciate a place with good service.
Definitely. So, how's work been for you lately?
Work's been busy, but I'm managing. How about you? Any new projects?
Yeah, we have a big project coming up. It's been keeping me on my toes.
I can imagine. Balancing work and life can be challenging sometimes.
You're right, it's all about finding that balance. Anyway, let's enjoy our meal and catch up more after.
Agreed, let's dig in.
Hey John, I've been thinking about a new business venture.
Really? Tell me more.
Well, it's in the tech sector, focusing on AI-driven solutions.
That sounds interesting. What's the unique selling point?
We'll specialize in personalized AI recommendations for small e-commerce businesses.
Nice. Any potential competitors?
Some, but our approach is more cost-effective and customizable.
How do you plan to fund it?
Initially, we can bootstrap, but we might seek investors later.
What's the next step?
I'm drafting a business plan. Let's meet next week to discuss it.
Sure, I'll look forward to it.
Hey John, I've been job hunting lately.
Really? How's it going?
It's been tough. I've sent out dozens of resumes but haven't heard back from many.
That's frustrating. Have you tried networking?
Yeah, I've been to a few networking events, but no luck yet.
Keep at it. Maybe update your LinkedIn profile too.
Good idea, I'll do that. Any tips?
Sure. Highlight your skills and accomplishments, and connect with industry professionals.
Thanks, I'll work on that. By the way, do you know of any openings at your company?
I'll check and let you know.
That would be great, John. Thanks for your help. Hey Kathy, I was thinking it would be nice to plan a picnic this weekend.
That sounds great. Where should we go?
How about that park by the lake we visited last summer? It had a beautiful view.
Perfect choice. What day works best for you?
Saturday works for me. What about you?
Saturday works for me too. What time should we meet there?
Let's aim for around 11 a.m. That way, we can have a leisurely morning.
Agreed. Should we each bring some snacks, or do you want to prepare a picnic basket?
I can prepare the picnic basket. You can bring a blanket and some drinks.
Sounds like a plan. Anything else we need to consider?
Just the weather. Let's check the forecast closer to the day.
Good point. I'll keep an eye on that. Can't wait for our picnic.
Me too. It's going to be a fun day. Hey Kathy, have you thought about dinner tonight?
Not yet. Any suggestions?
How about trying that new Italian place downtown?
Italian sounds great. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Ristorante del Gusto.
Is it fancy or casual?
It's a bit upscale, perfect for a special night out.
Sounds good. What time should we make a reservation?
I was thinking 7:30 p.m. Does that work for you?
7:30 is perfect. Should I check if they have vegetarian options?
Yes, please do, and let me know if you find any reviews online.
Will do. Should I make the reservation for 2?
Yes, that should be fine. Looking forward to it. Hi Sarah, how's business today?
Hi Robert, it's been busy. We have some new cake flavors in stock.
That sounds exciting. Any recommendations?
You should try our new red velvet cheesecake. It's been a hit.
Perfect. I'll take a slice of that and a cappuccino.
Sure thing. Would you like it to go?
Yes, to go please. Also, can you add an extra slice for my friend's birthday tomorrow?
Of course, I'll make it happen. Anything special you'd like on the birthday slice?
Just a happy birthday decoration.
You got it. I'll have your order ready in a few minutes.
Thanks, see you soon.
Kathy, you look absolutely stunning tonight.
Thank you. You're quite dashing yourself.
You know, I can't help but feel incredibly lucky to have you in my life.
The feeling is mutual. Every moment with you is magical.
To us, and all the beautiful moments we've shared.
To us, and to many more to come.
Kathy, do you remember our first date here? It feels like it was just yesterday.
Yes, it was so special. That's when I knew you were the one.
Same here, and now, we're planning our future together.
I can't wait to build a life with you, filled with love and adventure.
Kathy, you make every day feel like a romantic journey. I cherish you.
I cherish you too. Forever and always.
Hey John, how was your weekend?
Not bad. I watched a movie and did some gardening. How about you?
I went hiking with my dog. It was refreshing.
Nice. Speaking of dogs, mine chased a squirrel this morning.
They do love their squirrel adventures.
By the way, have you tried the new cafe down the street?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Yeah, the coffee is great, and they have delicious pastries.
Sounds like we should check it out during lunch sometime.
Definitely. Maybe this Thursday?